Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP, BNB and SPX 6900 price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. We're gonna start with the XRP here on the daily chart or on the weekly, I would say, to see the all-time history first. Where are we heading in general? So basically we have an impulse towards the upside where you see your wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 finishing wave A or a wave 1 here. And after this, you're looking for a very long sideways correction as a 1, a 2, or an A, B, and a C towards the upside, or a wave 3, major wave 3 for higher prices. This wave C or wave 3 needs, of course, an impulse starting towards the upside as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 continuation for higher prices. Currently, this wave 1 is still unfolding, of course, for higher prices as expected in this area where we are looking, of course, at this blue zone here and expecting, of course, this area. It can be even extended so far because we're looking at a massive wave 5 unfolding for higher, so potentially above 3.6 or even 5.7 for XRP can be reached. Let's dive, of course, on the 2 hours chart to see what's going on the 2 hours chart here. Inside this impulse, of course, a wave 5, because of course we have a very long correction here. So let me explain. We have a potential, of course, of a W, X, and a Y finished here as a wave 4 and moving toward the upside as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now we were estimating, of course, an ending diagonal finishing over there. However, I doubt this, of course, and I see this as very impulsive and still looking, of course, for higher. Internally, we're gonna see it, of course, because of several 1-2s exactly here that are unfolding. If we dive inside this move toward the upside, we are looking therefore for several 1-2s here after a big wave 1-2. We have 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, and another 1-2, 3, 4, and a 5. 4 and a 5 already unfolding toward the upside. Currently, this wave 5 in the white scenario here potentially has reached already the target taken, of course, from the wave 3 here and based on the wave 1 as well. And we can see that we have entered exactly the fib levels for this wave 5, perfect fib levels. And basically, you have finished kind of like 5 waves toward the upside here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. To finish, of course, this simple wave 5. Currently, you're looking after it for, of course, this wave 4 to unfold. And potentially this wave 4 might be a little bit sideways. So basically, you can even have a little bit higher prices here. But I'm gonna, anyway, lay down the wave 4 potential targets that it might unfold. So basically, we are looking for the timing as well. It might be as well a little bit fast and sharp, but basically I would also take here a little bit the normal fib levels, linear fib levels rather than logarithmic. So probably $3 for XRP is the next, of course, retracement after finishing a wave 5. Now if I dive deeper a little bit inside this wave 5 here, even deeper on the 50-minute chart, you can count already 5 waves. And therefore, yeah, you have to expect, of course, that it might be finishing or finished already and moving toward the downside sooner or later to this area in the blue zone. Of course, after this, you are looking for a wave 5 toward the upside again to finish main wave 3, 4, and a 5, even much more higher for XRP. Yep, so that's it for XRP. Everything is finally unfolding toward the upside after a very long term correction. Let's move for Binance. Binance, of course, also on the all-time history, we are looking, of course, at something very, very bullish. You are currently in a big impulse toward the upside, 1, 2, and this is your wave 3 unfolding. You are at the end of the wave 3 with a wave 5 because your wave 3 is 1, 2, 3, and a very long wave 4, and then, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, unfolding logarithmic here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This wave 4 has finished as well as A, B, C, D, E very clearly. And you're looking for this final wave 5. Now inside this wave 5, we are looking here at a potential 1, 2. Several 1, 2s again, 3, A, B, C, or even 3, 4, 5. Or it can be even A, B, C here. But I think that the things here are a little bit much more impulsive can be, knowing that it looks like three waves, but if you enter inside it, you can see clearly that you have 1, 2, 3, wave 4, wave 5 extended. Yeah, so this is an impulse here and not three waves, and this of course is a very deep wave 4 continuation after all toward the upside, hitting the target as well as we were expecting for a wave 5, wave 3 of course in the blue scenario. After this we are looking of course for a wave 4 and a 5 to finish. Now basically here we have a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Potentially one more high can be possible for Binance, and then having or heading towards a wave 4 and a 5 in the blue scenario. The targets, probable targets for this wave 4 as well in the blue scenario might be of course inside this range. We might see of course also a little bit a deeper correction, probably can be and very fast. Okay, so it can be sharp and fast, but moving up again very fast as well towards the upside. So as a 3, 4 and a 5 potentially, and of course to finish a wave 3, then of course heading for wave 4, main wave 4 and wave 5 to finish finally of course this impulse as a big wave 5. It can be of course very extended later on because the things becomes to be much more fractal inside of these impulses, guys, of course. Yep, so still looking for higher for Binance, and I'm looking of course above the $750. Yep, so the next one is SPX 6900. So for the SPX also, it's a very nice chart. It is very impulsive. We see a very clear leading diagonal here as a 1 or a wave A, much higher probability as a wave 1, wave 2, and you're looking at another impulse here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Very nice impulse where we see the wave 4 did not interfere with the zone 1, and continuation of this wave 5 in 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 towards the upside. Your wave 3 is not finished yet, and that due to several 1-2s internally, and you're still looking for higher prices. If we dive inside it, we can see that this wave 2 might unfold as 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your main impulse as a wave 3 here, finishing 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. And currently even inside your wave 5, you're having of course a lot of fractal impulses, and that due to another several 1-2s inside it. So you have 1, 2 again, another 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 to finally finish this wave 3 in the orange, and back of course to the bigger scale as 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4, 5, 4 and a 5. So very bullish for SPX 6900. I'm looking for at least the 2.73, and we're gonna take it from there step by step, of course, guys, because that is gonna be overwhelming if we put all the targets here. So basically we can clean up even there. So here we go. You can see the chart much clearer. Everything is still bullish, guys. This alt season is on, and of course it has started. It's still warming up. You saw how many 1-2s we have on each coin right now. So that was it for XRP, Binance, and SPX 6900. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.